en savoir davantage sur le système de notation des exercices, je vous invite dès maintenant à cliquer sur ce lien.
I guarantee we know defeats in the back of everybody's mind, thinking hope they don't make bombs. Hell, I don't need that shit. Let me live. I got a wife, I have 2 kids, and a mom, and I'm sick of fighting. My brother's getting lied to, spied on, missing limbs. They find us tripping in rooms, stacked up, still nobody backs up. Time to fight, he felt the pain. It was same as the way he did the day life came, and he stepped into the light. Never to know, we wouldn't figure why he was born on the trigger. 6 figures, 2 faces, and the dream turned him into a fiend. Man, I've seen the light, too much blood, brothers who fell stained. I can't erase these scenes of a crimson hell. Sounds of bells ring the dead, he seems fed up. I should have lied when I met him. I wanted to do good, free the people, cleanse the world. Then I had to find enemies. Don't lie to me, I'm gonna die, man. Try to be anything but this, it ain't all bad. Though the dying's cold, I'm like Peter, man, I'll never be old.
Savez-vous ce que veut dire s'ancrer consciemment à la terre avec ses 2 mains et comment ça peut vous aider avec ce type de mouvement? Pour le savoir, cliquez sur le lien.
Metamorphosize when I'm walking, done talking town, spot pinches and frowns, poor men laughing, 5-1 stop through the fog, clapping at the wall, said he hopes that it moves when the mood swings back, come take away the tracks, take away the facts, man, like we don't know fiction, killers, headshot, from the box like video, snipers manifest, flames in a cipher, born a man clutching, 22 weeks of hell, got caught touching, Glock nothing, made a piece of man with the piece, now nothing. I'm thinking if life's like slipping on rice, tripping on a bad bag, moving at the sight, got it from a stranger. Later than the night, sooner than the bright in the club. That time when the lights go, matter of fact, time when the fights go. Drunk money muscles, mad in a battle mode, escalate poser. Matter of fact, fuck jewels, they huff, I elevate myself. I let them run, let them run, let them run, let them run, let them run. I let them run till they run, let them run till they run out of breath, like the rest. Let them run out of breath. Many sons in the womb, guns locking. Let them run, stop it. Paper profits. From a young age, prayed a Sunday, met poison through the hate of a young page. Sooner than the shot rang in the room with the chalk. Motorola pics of a shop man. Made friends with the black cat under the ladder, sweet alley speak. When it matters, I got wind in my chime. Blows where the time goes under the stack. That's where the fine goes. In the silent streets, veins reach a breach in the dream. Made them lose it, born a fiend. Not a chance that you choose enemies. Count steps, line up and face the breeze. I let them run, let them run, let them run, let them run, let them run. I let them run till they run, let them run till they run out of breath, out of breath. Let them walk like the rest. Let them run out of breath. Many suns in the womb, guns locking. Let them run, stop it, paint for profits. On a lake of unsure reality, moonlit, weather relentless, hearts a locomotion, eternity's a satellite looking down. No, my frown came staring out so far, making out little specks in the blue, made up future you run through. Life shadows in the earthquake, can't stop what the world makes, even though he thinks that he can. High perched in the finest rise, tinted so nobody sees inside that he fought. Yeah, I stayed on top so nobody can on me. Man, I'm so far. And though the sirens blow, my drum's not receiving your short vision. Juggernaut crater face past you, running dust rise while I skate away.
Né dans un sens morbide, dans la poussette d'une esquille de vie qui sur la longue chaîne de fer tranquille se bousille les veines sous les étoiles pleines et saigne le temps d'où l'enfant pleure tremblant. Pas les sanglots noircis se fondent dans l'erreur d'émotions confuses, le vertige pique, un semblant de peine et haine consume la dernière flamme et l'âme se cache sous le stylo. Pile au premier rang, mec I am dangerous. Seul dans mon esprit, merde c'est rien. La merde c'est tous ces bouffons, les yeux plus gros que la cervelle. Sert à rien, une civilisation qui n'a rien à dire, pire à faire. Mec y'a trop de cons, apparemment. Mieux vaut se taire si t'as pas un rond. La haine pèse plus que l'or, mat le sort dans la ville, c'est le bordel. La fumée de mon ouinge finit par jaunir mon plafond. Mec y'a trop de putes qui sucent, font baiser dans les bas fonds. Là où le son s'entend pas, ici on pète des plombs. Tu l'as sur le front, pas que le reflet. Si c'est l'acier, c'est qu'il y en a beaucoup. De nos jours ça empire, de quoi faire un drame. Si on tourne le dos, c'est calme. Sous la pluie, sous les bombes, sous un pont où certains dorment la nuit, s'en trouvent, alors un œil s'éteint, alors un rêve qu'il crève. Sous le signe du deuil, le seuil atteint, il veille tout seul, dans l'attente d'un signe ou d'une vigne bienveillante, soucieuse d'un homme sans rire et sans voix. Un homme seul maudit l'empire, suffit d'un rien, pauvreté rien, le doux n'est rien, sans rien, grandit sans mère pour gronder, là où l'a dû être sévère, dans l'air de ces foules qui
En vous abonnant, vous allez avoir accès à des centaines et des centaines de vidéos motivationnelles, d'exercices et en alimentation gratuites.
Guerre plus que l'homme. D'ailleurs la terre subit la somme des divisions depuis l'époque de